Carnarvon. It's a trip that I've been meaning to do for a while now. With quite a bit to see and do along the way, it should be a fantastic journey. But unfortunately, the entire eastern side of Australia is currently being affected by wild weather caused by La Nina. Will we get the journey we hoped for, or will it all be cut short by the weather? Let's get four wheels on the road and find out. Alright, so now that we've checked into the caravan park, we're going to take a quick drive up the road and take a look at the rock pool at Carnarvon Gorge. Unfortunately, we've got the same situation as we've had over the last couple of days where we are outrunning the weather, and we've only got about a good hour of light this afternoon until the rain comes in. So we're just going to take a quick look at the rock pool and also head up and take a look at what the entry into the Gorge National Park looks like, just so we're ready for tomorrow in case we do get some good weather and can go on some walks. Alright, let's hit the road. There's quite a few different options for where you can actually stay up here. Carnarvon Gorge Wilderness Lodge that we're just driving past now would probably not be my choice for places to camp, as it's right next to the main road. I'm liking where I am at the Big Four because it's off the main road about 200 metres, so you probably wouldn't hear a damn thing in there. I was just hanging out with a kangaroo, having a cup of tea just before, and that was just fantastic. So I can't really see that sort of thing happening at the Wilderness Lodge. Mind you, at night time there probably may not be any traffic because this road only goes up to the gorge and that's it, but during the daytime it may be a bit of a pain in the butt. In terms of getting to the national park and the entry to the national park, it's only a couple of kilometres away from where we are at the caravan park, so it's pretty easy to get your way up here. All you need to do is just turn right from the exit at the Big Four and follow all the way to the end, and you'll get to where you need to get to. So because I'm not really sure if we're going to end up with the sun staying out for a while or if it's going to continue to rain again, I've decided to really quickly come up here and we're going to take a look at the rock pool, which is just before the main entry to the national park. So I think we'll go take a look at the pool now. As you would have seen from the signage, it's only 300 metres from the car park down to the rock pools, so it's a really short walk and a really easy walk as well. The rock pool here is marked by this massive boulder. I imagine it would be really busy in summertime, but one of the main reasons that I actually decided to come here in October is to beat all the crowds while it's still a little bit cooler. So there's not many people here at the moment, which is great, so I get to have a good look around the place without the masses of people here. All right, let's go take a bit more of a look at the rock pool down the bottom. Once you get down to the area here where the second rock pool is, it's pretty easy to get your way across here. You can come across this big log here across the water, or you can walk through a really shallow part of the stream just there, which has got quite a few rocks on it as well. So to get up to the second rock pool, you've got to cross the creek 2 times. The first creek crossing, depending on the level of the water, you can walk across on rocks that are there. I just ended up walking through the water because it was only 6 inches deep, so it's not a drama at all. And it's the same thing here to get across the second crossing. The main pool up here is all the way up towards the end. You've got to do a little creek crossing to get here, but it's by far and away the best pool to swim at. You've got this awesome rock formation here to check out as well, and it goes into a little cave. One of the guys I was just having a chat to here just was jumping off the cliff face there as well. The pool here is really deep, and I've just seen quite a few fish in here swimming around as well. Wouldn't surprise me if there's platypus and various other things in here also. Beautiful area here. Really cool place to come for a swim. It's probably a little bit too cool for me to go for a swim at the moment, but I imagine in summertime, as I mentioned, it would probably be really fantastic to come for a swim here. The area here is pretty nice. There's a couple of little barbecue tables and picnic tables up there, and there's also bathrooms up the top of the hill as well. So it's pretty well fitted out for coming to visit. It's a great looking rock pool as well. The water's really clean and clear. All right, well that's about it from us up here at the rock pools. I think we'll head over to the entry of the national park now and just take a quick look over there. The sun doesn't seem to want to play the game this afternoon, so I think it may end up clouding over again and raining again probably in about another half an hour. So I think we better make tracks quickly and get up to the entry and see what we can check out over there.